Want to do drop shipping? I don't know how to do drop shipping. Now here's method I will share with you. You can just sign up with TeamDrop. They have all the various items that is available for you to use to dropship in just one platform. It covers sourcing, ads, and fulfillment, everything in just one platform through TeamDrop. So some of the items like this, you can actually view more t-shirts to health, to household products. Okay. And yeah, by the way, I'm actually logged in now. So once you sign up, right, you will actually be prompted to enter your contact information. If you can actually enter your WhatsApp number and then get a $10 coupon discount. So you can use it to offset your sales purchase. Once you got an order and then to fulfill, you can actually just go ahead and pay with your coupon, $10 coupon. So that's now the promotion. Okay. So there. Okay. So yeah, just fill in all your information and then now they'll ask you how to which user type you are. So is it a new user or is it a veteran user? And then I think we start with new user and then click submit. And then you can add your store. Yeah, you can authorize a store. So for example, you can add like Shopify, Woocommerce, things like that. You can authorize a store. Okay, Shopify, Woocommerce, eBay. Okay, and connect directly. So you can connect your website to the store and then to fulfill it. Yeah, to do it, authorize the store and add products. So it's very easy, straightforward to authorize the store. Okay, and you can find yeah, some products. Okay, they actually source. Okay, yeah. So they source from quite a lot of places in China, and then they put it up here. Okay, they put it up here. There's 129,810 items. Okay, so they will fulfill everything for you guys to do they will fulfill the shipment, the purchase. Just put up the item, you link it to your store, and then you can decide on the markup to mark up and then just sell automatically, and then they will do the fulfillment. So and then you can look at this, which are the winning products, some examples. Okay, and then you can do a search. Okay, you can do a search 1688 or Taobao. Okay, Taobao. Those who wants to buy things from Taobao, right, and you don't know Chinese right now, this platform is able to do it in English, very straightforward, and buy it for you guys and ship it out completely. Okay, now you can. Yeah, so there you go, and then you can put your store products. So you basically search and then you just add, go to add. First, you need to add your store first, okay, and then integrate. Uh, okay, and then integrate. Then yeah, basically that's it. And then packaging products. They got packaging as well. Products that you can use. And do bundle products as well. Yeah, you just connect and search. Okay, and then you will look at your orders. So it's here. Your purchase orders. You look at inventory, after sales service. Everything is like ERP systems. Your sourcing, supplies, your orders management, everything is here. So it's all automated. Yeah, basically it's integrated to China 168 and Taobao. Okay, to do the fulfillments. Okay, to do the fulfillment. Okay. So yeah, if you are interested, you can click the link in my description and sign up to do your dropshipping. Yeah, okay. It's easy and straightforward. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.